Are you tired of constantly checking crypto exchanges, wondering if the stablecoin you need is even available? Have you ever found yourself with a wallet full of Bitcoin or Ether, but you just want to park some of your gains in something stable without leaving the ecosystem? It's a question many of us in the crypto space face, especially when volatility is high and you're looking for a safe haven for your funds. The rise of stablecoins like USDC has provided a fantastic solution, offering a bridge between the world of volatile cryptocurrencies and the stability of traditional fiat currency. But finding a platform that seamlessly integrates these tools can be a challenge. So, let's get to the bottom of a question that's on the minds of many. Does Bitwala support USDC? Now, for those new to the game, Bitwala is a platform known for bridging traditional banking with the crypto world, offering a unique service that includes a crypto debit card and an integrated bank account. For a long time, their focus was primarily on Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the crypto giants. This was great for many, but as the crypto landscape evolved and stablecoins became an essential part of a well-rounded portfolio, users started to ask about broader support. The good news is, in a move that shows they're keeping up with the demands of the market, Bitwala has expanded its offerings. The short and sweet answer is yes, Bitwala does support USDC. This is a significant development for users who want to leverage the stability of a dollar-pegged asset directly within their Bitwala account. You can now buy, sell, and store USD coin alongside your Bitcoin and Ethereum, all within the same platform. This integration is a game changer for several reasons. For starters, it simplifies the process of hedging against market volatility. Instead of moving your funds to an entirely different exchange or wallet when you anticipate a price drop, you can now instantly convert a portion of your crypto holdings into USDC. This allows you to secure your gains while keeping them on the Bitwala platform, ready to be deployed again when the time is right. But the support for USDC isn't just about trading. It also extends to Bitwala's core functionality, which is spending crypto in the real world. With the Bitwala Visa card, you can now use your USDC to pay for goods and services at over 100 million merchants worldwide, anywhere that Visa is accepted. This is a huge step forward for the utility of stablecoins. It means you can hold a stable asset in your crypto wallet and use it for everyday purchases without worrying about a sudden market crash affecting your spending power. It's the ultimate combination of crypto's decentralized nature and the convenience of traditional finance. In addition, Bitwala has made the process of buying and selling USDC incredibly straightforward. You can use your Euro account to easily trade for USDC, and if you want to sell, the funds will be promptly deposited back into your Euro account. This seamless on- and off-ramp functionality makes it easy to manage your assets without the friction of multiple platforms or complex transfers. The addition of USDC support to the Bitwala platform is a clear signal of their commitment to providing a comprehensive and user-friendly experience for their customers. It addresses a key need in the market and reinforces their position as a leading crypto-friendly banking solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.